Chapter 10 Integration. At first, definition of integration. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation, and it is stated as f of x dx is equal phi x. Here the symbol means enlarged S because S is the first letter of summation. So we use this symbol for integration. Now for exercise 10.1, at first we learned some formula. Formula number 1, integration of x to the power n dx. In definition, we learn integration is the inverse process of differentiation. So here variable is x and here power is n. X to the power n plus 1 and we divided by n plus 1 plus constant c. Now formula 2, e to the power x dx, e to the power x plus c. Here the symbol of integration. Now you tell what is the integration of d of x. Now here there is no variable is given here. That means if there is no coefficient or variable given, if you take 1 into dx, we know something to the power 0 is equal 1. Now we applied first formula. Here power is 0, that means n equal 0. Now x to the power n plus 1, that means 0 plus 1, divided by 0 plus 1 plus c is equal x plus c, because denominator is 1. Now we get integration of dx, that means x. Similarly, integration of dt is equal t plus constant c, t plus constant c. Now another formula, e to the power x dx. Already we learned in differentiation, derivative of e to the power x, then e to the power x. So differentiation and integration of e to the power x is same, there is no change. Now another formula, e to the power mx dx. Here e to the power mx, coefficient of x is m. Now we divided by coefficient of x, that means 1 by m, and into e to the power mx plus c. Now another formula, a to the power x dx is equal a to the power x by ln a plus c. One by x dx is equal ln of x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is equal sin x plus c. But integration of sin x dx is equal minus cos x plus c. Now integration of cosec square x dx, cosec square x dx is equal minus cot x plus c. Now page 2. Integration of sec square x dx is equal tan x plus c. Now cosec square x dx is equal minus cot x. Now sec x tan x, sec x tan x dx is equal sec x plus c. Similarly, integration of cosec x cot x dx is equal minus cosec x plus c. Now we solve some problems of this exercise. Now first maths 1 number. Integration of x cube dx. If you see the first formula, integration of x to the power n dx. Here x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant c. Now here power n is equal 3. So we divided 3 plus 1 x to the power 3 plus 1 plus c is equal to x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. This is the answer. Similarly, you can solve try yourself. 2, 3. Now question number 4. 1 only dx. Integration of dx. Here integration with respect to x. There is no constant or any term. If we consider 1 into dx, we know something to the power 0 is equal 1. Now give x to the power 0, that means x to the power 0 is equal 1 dx. Now we apply the first formula. X to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 plus C. Now x plus c. Now you solve easily 2 number integration of dt. Since integration of dx is equal x, so integration of dt is equal t plus constant c. Now next math, 6th number, question number 6. Integration of x plus 7 into x minus 7 dx. At first we use the formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square d of x. Now integration x square minus 49 dx. At first we divide it or separate it, integration of x square dx, then 49 integration dx. Here you observe that 49 dx, if you write down integration 49 d of x, it's also correct. Now from here, when constant is given, then we take the constant outside of or front side of symbol of integration. Now x square, here power is 2, so we add 1, that means 3, and we divide it by 3, that means x cube by 3, and minus 49, we already learned integration of dx is equal to 49x, now constant c. Now try yourself. 5, 7, 8. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Integration of cube root x d of x. Now we know cube root x, that means x to the power 1/3 d of x. Now we apply first formula, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now x to the power 1/3 plus 1 is equal 4 by 3. 4 by 3 plus c. If we calculate it, then 3 by 4 x to the power 4 by 3 plus c. Now base 4. Now you can solve similarly. Try yourself. 10, 11, 12. Now question number 13. Number integration y cube minus 8 by y minus 2 dy. Here variable is y. At first we use the formula y cube minus 2 cube y minus 2 d of y. Now a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus this by y minus 2 d of y. Now these two terms cancel. Now integration y square 2y plus 4 d of y. Now listen, if you separate here or not as you wish, we calculate it directly. Y square, now it's equal to, that means y cube by 3 is 1/3 y cube. Here constant 2, now y to the power 1, that means y square by 2. Now here only constant 4 dy, that means 4y plus c. 2 to cancel. 1/3 y cube y square 4y plus c. Similarly, try yourself. 14. Now question number 15. Number integration x 1 plus root x d of x. At first we multiply x plus x into x to the power half d of x. Now we separated it, x dx plus integration x to the power 1 plus half, that means 3 by 2 d of x. Here x, its power is 1, so x is square by 2. And another term x to the power 3 by 2. Now x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1, that means 5 by, here 5 by 2 plus c, direct. Now x square by 2 plus 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus next question number 17. number 17. Integration 5 cos x minus 9 sec square x plus 8 d of x. Now we solve this math in two ways. At first, you separate it or directly. If we solve it directly, here 5 cos x dx. Now we know the formula, integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is equal sin x. Here constant term is 5. Now we write down 5 sin x. Now minus 9 sec square x, integration sec square x dx. Now sec square x dx is equal tan x. 9 tan x. Here only 8 dx. Now 8 x plus c. 18 numbers. Sec x tan x minus 3 cosec square x d of x. Now integration sec x tan x dx. We know sec x tan x, integration of sec x tan x is equal only sec x, and cosec square x, integration of cosec square x dx, that means minus cot x. Here minus 3, and integration of cosec square x dx is equal minus cot x. Now constant c. Now sec x minus plus 3 cot x plus c. Now page number 6. Number 19. Integration of sin x dx by cos square x at first we can write down cos square x is equal cos x into cos x. Now 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x integration d of x. Now 1 by cos x is equal sec x sin by cos tan x. Now formula of sec x tan x is equal sec x plus constant c. Now 19 number done. Then 20 number. Question 20. Integration sec x into sec x minus tan x d of x. At first we multiply sec square x dx minus sec x tan x at times 2 work. Here we multiply and separate the integration symbol and dx. Now integration of sec square x dx is equal tan x and sec x tan x. Integration of sec x tan x is equal only sec x plus constant c. Question number 21. Integration of root over 1 minus sin 2x we know sin squared x plus cos square x 1 is equal sin square x plus cos square x and sin 2x is equal to sin x cos x. Sin 2x is equal to sin x cos x d of x. In trigonometry we learn sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to sin x cos x. Now sin square x minus 2 sin x cos x plus cos square x is equal sin x minus cos x whole square. Integration sin x minus cos x whole square d of x. Now square and root cancel. We get sin x minus cos x dx integration. Now we just apply the formula. Integration of sin x dx is equal minus cos x and integration of cos x dx, that means sin x minus sin x plus, if you common minus sign, then cos x plus sin x plus c. This is it. Now page number 7. Page 7. Question number 22 same as. Now here observe two formula in trigonometry. Sin 2x to sin x cos x. And to sin square x is equal 1 minus cos 2x to cos square x equal 1 plus cos formula. In trigonometry, we learn these three formula: sin 2x, 2 sin x minus cos x, 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x, 2 cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x. Now try yourself. So 22, 23, 24, also 25. Now we solve 26. Integration of dx by 1 minus cos x. Already we learn 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to sin square x. Now we just put the formula d of x, 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x is equal to sin square x. Now we write down 2 sin square x. If here plus, then we write down 2 cos square x. If minus, then sin square. If plus, then cos square. Now 1 by 2, 1 by sin square x d of x. Now 1 by sin square. 1 by sin square is equal cosec square. 1 by 2 cosec square x d of x. Now just put the formula. Integration of cosec square x is equal minus cot x. Now half into minus cot x plus constant c minus half cot x plus c. Now question number 28. Page number 8. Page number 28. Sin x plus cos x integration sin x plus cos x by root over 1 plus sin 2x d of x. Now here sin x plus cos x 1 is equal sin square x plus cos square x. 1 is equal sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x. d of x. Now sin x plus cos x, a square plus here sin square x plus cos square x sin 2x. You know sin 2x equal to sin x cos x, to sin x cos x. If you write down this line and this line is skipped, then it is better for you. Sin 2x is equal to sin x cos x, and 1 is equal, for 1 sin square x plus cos square x, and sin 2x to sin x cos x, then we skip this line or second line. Now integration of sin x plus cos x. Now here formula sin x plus cos x whole square root over d of x is equal sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x square, root cancel, denominator numerator same, that's why 1 d of x. We learn integration of dx x plus c. Now this is the last math of this exercise, page number 9, question number 29. 20, the most important. Integration of sec square x cosec square x d of x. Sec square x can write down 1 by cos square x, and cosec square x 1 by sin square x d of x. Now 1 by cos square x into sin square x for 1 sin square x plus cos square x. For this one, you can write down sin square x plus cos square x. Here cos square x into sin square x d of x. We can write down or divided these two terms by cos square x and sin square x. Sin square x by cos square x into sin square x. Integration plus cos square x by cos square x into sin square x d of x. Now these two cancel, is equal integration of 1 by cos square. Here 1 by cos square is equal sec square x plus 1 by sin square. 1 by sin square is equal cosec square x d of x. Now we just apply the formula. Integration of sec square x is equal tan x, and integration of cosec square x is equal minus cot x plus constant c. Now this exercise is finished. Thank you all.